Okay, for today we work on a side-by-side LG fridge. Customer complaint, no cool. Fridge is being plugged in for a long time. We have hooked up our low side gauge, and as you can see, we have 62 psi on the low side. This is an indication that the compressor is not pumping. So we know the compressor have stopped pumping because we staying at 61 psi. Normally it should be around 5 to 0 or -5 psi, but in this case it's not doing anything, so we know we have a bad compressor, which means probably the diaphragm inside has opened up. Now it's not changing any pressures, so therefore we know we're gonna have to change the compressor. From the reading of our psi low side, it tells us that also the freon has not left because we're still at 61. We're relatively about 72 degrees in this house, so it's kind of normal to see a 61 psi in a low side, and that indicates no leak in the system, just a bad compressor.